Alright guys, so I wanted to do a quick review on my UGREEN Micro B to Type-C cable. First of all, this cable is really nice. It's like a thicker cable. They come in different sizes. I have the 1.5 foot, which is perfect for what I need it for. So especially like on like the newer laptops, like they don't have a whole lot of ports, or and especially USB ports. So I do like that it has this Type-C for even faster transferring. So like my hard drive still uses the micro. So I'll go ahead and hook it up right now. Like plug it into my laptop. You can already hear it. It's already loading it up. So I really love it. So like we do a lot of like video editing and pictures and things like that. So we need like a reliable cable that can move things over fairly quickly. So this cable does just that. So we'll go ahead and open it up. I'll literally just transfer this whole top row right here. Drag it over. And there it goes. Like I said, I even got 2 videos in there. So like I said, for it being a Micro B to Type-C, like I said, I can definitely see the difference. So if you're looking for a good cable, it's already done. This is one that I would highly recommend. 10 out of 10.